Prestige baseboard installation, with or without connecting blocks. The collection of Prestige baseboards is not only a perfecting element of the design which enables one to aesthetically finish the space between a wall and a floor, but also a practical way to conceal wires. Installation of baseboards with usage of special brackets enables one to repeatedly remove and place baseboards back without additional tools. In order to install the baseboard, a user needs a miter saw or similar tool, a drill driver, fasteners, a measure, screws, a pencil, and acrylic. Prestige baseboards are fitted with usage of special fasteners. Boards can be connected after cutting them at a 45-degree angle. There is an alternative of using pins and cutting the baseboard normally at a 90-degree angle. The pin should be cut in a way so it projects half of a centimeter over the baseboard after being fixed on the floor. Using a pin makes it impossible to conceal wires if they lead into its proximity. Installation of the baseboard should be started from the corner of the room. This presentation shows the installation method without a pin. Therefore, cut the board at a 45-degree angle. Mark a proper length of the baseboard at the opposite side, and because of the door frame presence, cut it at a 90-degree angle. Mark the places for fixing the fasteners on the wall. The first one should be fitted 10 centimeters from the corner of the wall. Every next one should be fitted 50 centimeters away from the previous fastener. After marking drilling points, start drilling the openings. Use a drill driver to fix the fasteners to the wall. Put the board in place. Note, the fastener should be plugged into the milled spots at the rear side of the baseboard. This makes the connection permanent. Fix the fasteners on the second wall. The endings of the board should be cut at both sides at a 45-degree angle. It will enable one to connect it to another board. Fit the baseboard into the fasteners. In order to connect another board, it is necessary to cut it at a 45-degree angle. Note, the user may apply an additional fastener in the points of baseboard connections. The last step is filling in the connections of baseboards with acrylic in a chosen color. Prestige baseboard installation is finished.